My Earth Science Minions video 7, I think. Stars and their life cycle were on this page. Where it says stars on the top. Stars. Ready? Here we go. Most useful star in the sky, Polaris, aka the North Star. Yep. It doesn't appear to move because it is directly above the North Pole. Hence, it can only be seen in the northern hemisphere. Its altitude is equal to your latitude. I went so fast. And I mean, the side piece here is that it's always been a navigational tool. You can kind of tell which way is north if you can find the North Pole. I misspoke. If you can find the North Star. Okay. How do stars generate their energy? This is called a nuclear fusion, where I take two things, fuse them together into something bigger. That energy is going to come out. Okay. Hydrogen. One is got one nucleus or one neutron. The other one's got two neutrons, by the way. Okay, and then I can form a new molecule that'd be helium, and it gives off the neutron and energy. So nuclear fusion, taking two atoms and smashing them together into a bigger atom, releases an amazing amount of energy. This is, I guess, what you could write. Lighter elements fuse together to create heavier elements. Some of the mass is given off as energy. Sure. And it's a lot of energy, by the way, because the sun is mad far away, and you go outside on a really sunny, hot day, and you can feel the sun's energy on your face. So that energy is going a very long distance, and it's still, you can feel it. So think about that. All right. The two characteristics used to classify stars, we're going to use luminosity and temperature. Watch. Luminosity is how bright it is. How bright a star appears as compared to our sun. So that's the sun's going to be the 0 point, or the comparison point. Temperature equates to color. Hot is blue, cool is red. So it is temperature, but we can tell them by blues and reds. Okay? And you see the chart underneath. Okay. All right, what kind of star is our sun classified as? Main sequence. So I see the main sequence in the chart. What color are the stars in the constellation Orion? So I'm going to find Orion. See Polaris. I'm looking all over this thing. My eyes are going bad. I'm looking. I don't see Orion yet. Okay. Betelgeuse is red. Rigel is blue. Okay, I see Rigel. And I see Betelgeuse. I see Rigel is actually more like blue-white. Where Betelgeuse is definitely on closer to red. That's on this chart right here, which is in your work science reference tables. I just still don't see Orion in here anywhere. So maybe these are some of the stars that make up Orion. Life cycle of a star. So there's no real place to put this. So this is about you kind of reading through. I would definitely take these notes kind of on the side here or around the picture. Okay, star formation. Start out big. Okay. We got big, we got less massive, and then low mass. So big ones are blue. Smaller ones are red. Red dwarf. That's probably a blue giant. Red giant or super giant. I see super giants. Intermediate stage. Giants, intermediate stage. Red dwarf becomes a white dwarf. I see white dwarfs. Late stage on your chart. Big guys become supernova. Little guys become black dwarf, dead. So a red dwarf is going to turn into a white dwarf, which is going to turn into a black dwarf. And I see white dwarfs on here. I see color on here. I see luminosity on here. I see small stars. I see massive stars on here. Supernovas turn into black holes or a neutron star. Main sequence, intermediate stage, late stage. So I see that. I see intermediate stage, early stage, late stage. I see those on the chart. And that's it for these notes. Those are the life cycles of the stars. You want to make sure you get some sort of notes like this. I'm going to let you, the goal here, mind you, is to do these notes in a way that makes sense to you. I mean, it's all up there right now. I don't know if you want to just kind of do it small this way, turning it. If you want to do it in words, if you want to try and include pictures, I'm going to leave all that up to you. But you know what? Not for nothing. Life cycle of stars picture is here. That was probably got moved down the page when it shouldn't have. So you can definitely fill this piece out for your life cycle of the stars. Next video, moon. Ready? Let's get ready for the next video.